हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू संडे व्लॉग। वी आर स्पेंडिंग हियर द फैमिली टाइम। मिशु के लिए कुछ ऐसा डिलीवर हुआ है जो इस एज के सभी बच्चों का फेवरेट है। प्लीज़ स्टे विद अस, विल शेयर दैट विद यू विद आवर संडे मस्ती। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियो।
Visha, no, beta.
Don't worry,
Guddu, you can't go.
don't worry, I can fix.
You will stuck there.
Don't worry, I will fix it.
How you will save, Guddu?
I can't.
See, this is the ideal place. No one is here. Only our family. One is busy man. Second is a baby. And third is the cameraman behind this camera.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
That's why we are without mask. Yes, come quickly. Come fast. I told you na you will stuck there, Visha.
I can
Oh, Visha, you will stuck in a grass way too.
Don't worry, I will be safe.
You will be safe.
Mark, Lisa is coming quickly.
Lizard is coming quickly. How you can say? Oh. Why are you so tired?
Let's go another time. I'm ready.
You
Let's go, Dara.
Okay, beta, go.
Come.
Come, Mishu. Very good.
Ready?
Yes.
Dana, Vishu, ready?
3, 2, 1,
Go!
Again.
Yes, you win, you win.
Yay.
You win?
Again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, go! Yes.
Love you. Chalo.
Mishu and Daddy are ready?
Yes.
Mishu, don't cheat.
Chalo.
2, 1, go.
Chalo. 1, 2, go. Wait, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, you win.
Yes, Mishu.
High five. Very good. Chalo. Should we go home now?
No.
Okay.
Once more, once more.
3, 2, go.
I'm back. Back.
2, 1, go.
Chalo. Yeah, I'm coming, Mishu. I'm will catch you. You win, Papa.
Yes, Dadu, declared. Mishu.
Yeah.
Who will decide that who is the winner?
I'm the winner.
Yeah, you are the winner, but who will decide?
I will decide.
You will decide?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Ma, come with me.
Yes, I'm
Let's
coming.
do together.
Okay.
Come.
Yeah.
मैं इसको walk पे डर ले लेंगे.
Your race is with Mama or with Daddy?
No, we put here camera and we will do this.
Okay, Mishu and Mama?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Put the camera.
Then also you are the winner?
Yes. Of course, Mama is only the winner.
Oh, you are the only winner? Okay, beta.
Mama, let's do it together.
Yes, let's do together. Wait.
Take one sip of water. You've done a lot of work. Okay? Thanks, la baby.
Thank you, Daddy.
Love you, bachcha.
Mama, now we will do it.
You will do it.
Yes.
Who? Mm-hmm.
We and Mishu will do.
Okay.
Mama and Mishu will do.
Yes. Mama and Mishu will decide.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Acha, first tell me now, is there any limit or you decide that who is the winner?
I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
Okay. Now race is not start.
Ma.
Even race is not started yet, and you declared that you are winner.
Yes.
Yes.
Huh?
You are a big cheater, Mishu.
No.
No. Okay.
Mama, let's do it.
Okay.
Now we are Mishu are and Josh.
Yes.
Go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Run.
Now we'll see the unboxing of Mishu's special gift, that is Little Olive scooter and its reviews. This is the box which we received. ओपन करने से पहले हमने इसे अच्छे से सैनिटाइज किया है. ये स्टेप बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है जिसे आजकल हम बिल्कुल भी इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते हैं. इसके बाद हमने इसे थोड़ी देर ऐसे ही धूप में छोड़ा था. Now we are opening it. See, this is perfectly packed. So basically packaging is very good. Let's open and check the product also. ओपन करने के बाद इसमें we got this scooter. This is a very good condition, properly packed, user manual and installation support details. Best part is that you can get support through WhatsApp only by scanning QR code. Wow, it's in red color. Gives it a stunning look. As above all, this is Mishu's favorite color. It have adjustable handle for adjusting as per height of the kids. So basically Mishu can use it till 4 or 5 years. Guys, braking system is also nice for comfort ride. Can carry weight for a normal person and material is also good, that is unbreakable. So that is also a good part of it. इसको baby easily fold करके carry कर सकते हैं. Required minimum space after folding. We truly love this product and is a complete value for money. We'll recommend this product for sure. Amazon for delivering this product during this scenario on time.
Mama, to go on these rides.
You want to go in these rides? Okay. Betu, virus will go soon.
What? I want to play. I'm tired with this water.
Hanji,
I'm tired with this water.
you tired with this virus? Don't worry, Mishu. This will go soon.
Okay. But when? It's long time.
Yes, it's long time, but you have to wait for some more time, Betu.
When more time. How to die with this water?
Okay, stand up now. Stand up. Come.
But look, they are empty rides.
Empty? Don't worry, Mishu. Doggy.
I'll go with
No, no, no. Doggy will bite you, Betu.
Challenge. Please like, share, and subscribe for my channel.